not even going to come now?
The day Antara starts calling the shots in that house, and not Mrityunjay, Rudra and I will return. I lied to you, Antara. You are my enemy too. Because women like you are the ones who give birth to a person like Maya. Ten years ago, people denied you your mother's love. Because of them, you couldn't see the colors of this life. But now your mother is going to wipe off color from their lives. Before Holi ends, I'll make sure that Antara's life will be consumed by darkness.
Where is Rudra? Rudra? Where is Rudra? I'm talking to you, Antara. What did I tell you? Do whatever you must do, but bring back my Rudra home. Where is Rudra?
I did everything I could, Mrityunjay. I did everything. I pressed her legs, cleaned her bathroom. I even took out the garbage with bare hands. But Maya...
Her name is Manvi. And your name should be useless. I had asked you to apologize. I had asked you to beg, but you aren't good at even begging.
Ma'am, are you okay?
I told her to do one thing, Amir. One thing, and she couldn't do that. If something happens to my Rudra...
MJ, please control yourself.
If anything happens to my Rudra, then...
Ma'am, please go to your room.
Amir, that Manvi has lost her mind.
I know.
She's definitely going to hurt Rudra. And this woman can't do anything about it. Despite being his mother, she can't help him. Useless you are.
Please control yourself,
You are a
MJ.
useless woman.
MJ, please.
You are useless.
Maya will not hurt Rudra. They both will return home.
Hey! It's only for Rudra, not for anyone else.
Well, if you're making cupcakes, then why don't you make a few more? Who makes one cupcake?
No. It is only for Rudra.
But Maya, what's so special in it?
Poison. The main thing is my love, and it belongs only to Rudra.
By the way, Maya, your provocation really didn't work, huh? Nothing happened. Because Antara went to her room as usual. Your efforts went in vain. Nothing happened.
Since 32 years, MJ has been humiliating you, and you are just enduring that like a mute. As long as you appear weak, he will continue to take advantage of you. Don't let anyone in this world make you feel small. How do you know?
I have my ways too.
Aditya, I don't like that guy at all. I don't trust him.
He's a sweet guy. He's harmless. That's why I want to use him. I mean, we need someone who can keep an eye on Antara and MJ.
But I don't trust that guy at all. What if in this process of yours, Rudra is here? This cupcake is only for Rudra. Don't even touch it. Rudra, thank you.
Surprise! Nice, right?
Double surprise.
Triple surprise! Yes, she came around.
You? I told you, Rudra, that no one can replace friends.
Are you happy now?
Her smile says it all.
Smiles are often deceptive. By the way, happiness can be found in someone's eyes. But Miss Maya's eyes is in a state of shock. Am I right, Anu?
Wow, flowers. I will take them. Thank you.
Welcome.
And Addie? Of course she is shocked. We have given her such a surprise.
Sorry, Maya, I didn't tell you anything about this. I invited them for dinner without asking you.
It's your home, Rudra. And why you apologize for inviting your friends at your home? Come in, guys.
Yeah,
come in.
let's go.
Yeah, please.
By the way, I love daisies.
How are you?
Thank you for the flowers.
What a coincidence. I love them too. They are pretty.
Her hatred is going to destroy my son. My son's with her and I'm doing nothing about it.
No, MJ. She loves Rudra more than she hates you, MJ.
Amir, tell her to get lost or I'll kill her.
Come on, MJ. You are not going to do anything like that.
Didn't I tell you, Antara? Don't cross your limits. You were good for nothing and you... What is all this?
My good for nothingness?
This.
Come on, MJ. I have come here to tell you that Maya loves Rudra a lot and she's not going to hurt him at all. She won't harm him, so just calm
And you have
down.
worn such an outfit to tell me all this.
I like your sense of humor. Actually, I'm going to a party and you're not invited.
Your son is with a weirdo. And you are going to party?
I'm with a weirdo too. That's why I'm going to a party. By the way, MJ, what's left in my life anymore? Everyone has deserted me. So, I thought instead of weeping, sitting at home, let's party. What say?
You have lost your mind.
I live with you, it was bound to happen.
Enough, huh? Enough.
MJ, please.
Bye, Mrityunjay. And yeah, I am going to have an extra drink in your name. Without fail.
MJ, perhaps she has started taking pills again. She will be fine in some time.
Finally, we have the desserts. Where's my dessert?
There's something special for you.
Here's the special dessert.
Wow, a special cream cheese icing cupcake for me.
Rudra, Maya specially made it for you.
Thank you, Maya.
We will push Maya to such an extent that her madness comes out in front of everybody.
Good plan.
What happened?
Nothing.
Oh God, again. Rudra and his neck pain. I brought that thermal pillow for you, right? Which you forgot at work, by the way. Wait,
Ananya.
hold on. Be
Thank
careful.
you, Ananya. Thank you.
He can't sleep without this pillow. Didn't you tell Maya? His neck has been paining since morning.
No, he told me. But I thought you were joking.
Maya, it's fine.
I'm so sorry. I do worry about you. It's
Maya.
not like... No. You remain seated. I'm really sorry. I didn't know that it is this serious.
I'm fine. Okay?
It's okay, Maya. I took care of him. That's why I got this special pillow for him. And anyway, I take care of his small issues. You have no need to worry about him now. I'm there.
The limit where the care of friendship ends, the responsibility of love begins. You fulfill your friendship, and I will take care of love.
By the way, at the moment I need this cupcake with cream cheese icing. My favorite and I love it.
Cream cheese icing. I love it. I take care of you so much, at least it should benefit me.
I have made this for Rudra.
Which his best friend wants to eat. Rudra, please. You can at least share a cupcake with me.
Yeah, I know. You have a habit of eating all my food. Here you go. It's okay. They are our guests. Let her eat.
Outsiders are called guests. I am your best friend. That too a very old one. Older than your wife as well. I miss Rishi. Last time, we all met right here. Rishi was also there. It was the same house, same table. Maya was here as well. She was playing games. Spin the bottle. And you remember, Rishi had given you a dare to hug him?
To hug Maya, one needs a lot of courage. By the way, Rishi told me about that hug. That how he finally got Maya in his life.
Excuse me.
Hey, where are you going? The party isn't over yet.
I'm going to clean the kitchen. I don't like my house being dirty.
No, Amir. Antara didn't take any medicine. She was in her senses. It's the effect of Manvi. Antara might become a danger to me.
No, MJ. I know Antara loves you a lot. And she would never betray you. But because of your behavior today,
Listen. Because of my behavior, My behavior? Tell me, Amir. Everyone in this house tells things to my face now. Why don't you? Huh? Am I wrong? Tell me, Amir. Am I wrong? Tell me, is it wrong to worry about my son? If yes, then I'm wrong. I had asked one thing from Mantra, to bring our son back home. To set aside her pride. She'd rather hold on to her pride than have her son back. Is it wrong for me to save Rudra from Manvi? I'm wrong then.
You're not wrong, MJ. If it were someone else in your place, they would have done the same.
Amazing. Maya, nice move.
What's your intention?
To clean my hands.
What's your intention? Why become my Rudra's friend again?
This youth is crazy. Ha, my dear, wait right there. Haha, not funny.
Actually, I'm going to a party today and you're not invited.
Antra!
Mrityunjay, have you had food?
Go to hell.
I don't have to go anywhere else then. I have a special main course dish for you. Ta-da! These are divorce papers.
All of a sudden, again. Why are you trying to be friends with my Rudra?
Oh. Now I have to tell you the truth. Rudra! Maya, come on, what is she saying?
What happened?
Got scared? Even Maya got scared. Am I right? Look, Maya thinks I'm here with a plan up my sleeve. She thinks I have a motive by being friends with you.
I was just trying to...
Maya, it's okay. Decide as to what you want. Look, you said that Rudra needs his best friend. And when his best friend is here, you're getting upset? You've really got me confused. I'm only doing what you told me to.
Are you done? Or do you have something more to say? Maya, she thinks she is intelligent. But believe me, she's very stupid. She's not capable of planning or plotting anything. All that, you know.
Correct. By the way, she has some of your talent, sister-in-law Maya. I mean, she is a writer, that too thriller. Intentions, planning. Because of these, the story become more and more interesting. Am I right, Rajiv?
Of course, Maya is an ace in planning things.
I knew that from before. Am I right, Rudra? Come on. It's already late. Let's go, Addy.
Hmm.
And Rudra, please use that pillow. Thanks for the dinner, Maya. Especially for that cupcake. It seems you made those with lots of love. Thank you.
I'll drop them and come back. Come.
Good night.
Good night, everyone.
These are the divorce papers. Okay, so let me do the honors first. I'll sign on it. Please don't give me a divorce. I'll do whatever you say. Yeah, it's your turn now. Sign it. And then our divorce is final. I have some other documents as well. Yes, right. This one. I want half of your life. My divorce settlement. MJ, darling. I want half of your company's shares. This mansion, the cottage in Manali, the building in Kolkata, the flat in Dubai, and London's mansion.
Maya? Wow, Maya. You are wiping the cream. But it seems you are getting ready to slit someone's throat.
Do you want to kill me?
So you want me to get angry?
You are an intelligent man.
So, you want to divorce me? Being Mrs. Mrityunjay Roy, you want to give up my name?
I have nothing to do except leave you. I have lost everything. My son Rishi. My Rudra. My pride.
I discarded your pride in that dustbin.
Everything. Do you know why? The fear of losing your name? The fear of losing you? But now I fear nothing. All my fear is gone. Mrityunjay, if you try to harm me or hurt me, a set of papers will be sent to the police immediately. They will be given to the media and to Rudra as well. And that will not be good for you. Just leave me. It is truly said, one who makes slaves doesn't depart love.
Love gives you freedom, Mantra. But your fear of losing has just made you MJ's slave.
You wanted to show me where I belong.
Better know where you belong. If you forget where you stand, you will fall on your face.
Now see, Mrityunjay Roy, what I have done to your level. Welcome to hell, Mrityunjay Roy.
You bloody ungrateful woman.
Shh. Calm down, Mrityunjay. I want to be alone as it is. So please clear your belongings from my room Right now.
You?
Shh. No, don't get angry. Because if I get angry, then I don't know about those papers.
Stay away from Aditya. I don't like him.
But I like him. This is not fair, Maya. If you fall in love, it's great. If I do, then... Okay, you don't get angry. By the way, I have good news for you. The fire that you ignited has caused havoc. Antara has irritated Mr. MJ a lot. She gave him the divorce papers too.
Good. Finally, the cat has bitten the tiger. And now? Now wait for my next surprise, MJ. You like cats, right, MJ? Wild cats. Won't you thank me for this? I turned your pet cat into a wild cat. I heard it. That she has learned how to attack. Oh, what happened? Did you get hurt?
Maya, where are you? Come soon. I'm sleepy.
I'll be right there.
Hey,
Hey, there is no need for you to do this, okay?
I know, but I thought you'll feel bad. That's why. I know that you didn't like what happened about the cupcake. Ananya ate all the cupcakes. I'm sorry.
Yes, I didn't like it because I made it specially for you, Rudra. But that's okay. She's your best friend. And she's worried about you. You had pain in your neck, that's why. She brought it for you.
Thank you. Now, what was this for?
That is for judging me, Rudra.
Okay. But you know that you have messed with the wrong person.
It's torn. But I promise tomorrow I'll get you a new one. But listen, don't tell Ananya about it. She brought it for you with so much love and you just tore it so carelessly.
Really? Did I
Hey.
tear it? Did I start the pillow fight?
But it was fun, right?
Now that the pillow is torn, what shall I do?
Well, Rudra, leave that to me.
Okay.
You're making noises like. Oh,
Like I need something more from my masseuse, right?
Sultan,
Sir Sultan hasn't eaten anything since morning.
that's good. It was a heavy meal last night. Gifts are always awesome, isn't it, Sultan? Yash, what are you doing here? I was looking for you in the gym and you are here?
Sir, actually, ma'am called me.
Come here. Is this my perfume?
Yash, you forgot these gifts also.
What are you doing, Antra?
MJ, didn't I tell you to get your stuff from my room? You didn't take me seriously. But it's okay. I have given all of your stuff to Yash. Hey, thanks for everything. He's such a naughty boy. Oh God, I'm so tired. I was up the whole night. I will see you around, darling.
Addy, what you are doing is not enough. We have to do something else in order to prove Maya crazy in front of Rudra. Or else Maya will divert the topic just like yesterday.
Ananya, no matter how smart she may be, but at some point she will definitely miss. And we need to be prepared for that moment. But if we do something obvious, then Maya will come to know all our plans.
But how long we can wait, Aditya? What if she does something to Rudra?
There are so many hidden secrets of Maya Jason. But if she found out we are looking for those secrets, then not only for Rudra, she can be dangerous and harmful for all of us.
We need to keep Rudra away from her. I am worried about Rudra.
Yes, Sudhir.
MJ, someone has hacked Miss Antra's phone.
What do you mean?
I mean to say that her phone is functioning strangely.
What is happening?
How do I say, MJ? Her number was on a dating site. And she's displayed very rocking photos of herself.
But how come you know all this?
Well, actually there was a match between her and my profile.
Hey, Sudhir, what the heck? How dare you?
Come on, man, how's it my fault now? And tell me one thing, you are complaining as if you are a monk of chastity yourself?
She's my wife, Sudhir.
Then control her, damn it! Don't you vent out on me! Here I'm trying to help and... Hello?
Antra! Antra!
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning, Mrs. Roy.
You know, there's a 4 and there's a 6. And then there's a ball which is going out of the stadium. But you have hit the ball out of the world.
what are you talking about?
Come, I'll show you. Antra's dating life has been resurrected.
Oh my God! Mother-in-law, not bad. Good. The higher Antara flies, the harder she will fall. Because MJ is going to clip her wings.
Wow, what's in it?
Whatever it is, it's not for you.
What's the matter, Maya?
This perfume. It's his perfume.
Whose perfume? I don't smell anything.
Hello?
You? What are you doing here? Rudra is in a meeting.
I know that. But I came to meet you, not Rudra.
But why?
You liked the cupcakes yesterday, didn't you? Your favorite? Therefore, today, I have brought specially a few cupcakes just for you. You'll have it, right? Your favorite. Therefore, today I have specially brought some cupcakes just for you. You will have it, right?
What is all this?
My Swayamvar. MJ, please help me. Tell me whom should I choose? This one? Or this one? I am so sorry, I forgot to tell you. I met Sudhir on a dating site and I left the site immediately. I mean, how can they give such bad options to me? Just like, yuck. Come on, MJ, please help me now, okay? Whom should I choose?
Don't choose anyone. You're my wife, Antara. Maintain a class. I mean, where have you brought them from? Take my phone. Call a supermodel or call a superstar if you want. They will rush here as soon as they hear my name. At least think about my reputation. You will need a lot of courage to challenge me, Antara. You can't defeat me because it's my habit to scare and defeat others.
No, Maya, I don't
Why?
want.
Why don't you want to eat? Come on, have a bite. Come on. There you go.
Maya? Anu?
Just see, Rudra. You know, I brought your favorite cupcakes again. And she has had everything again.
Anu, what is this?
As soon as she heard your voice, she stuffed cupcakes inside her mouth. I mean, look at her.
Anu, there's a limit to your greed. And Maya, next time, please.
Next time, she won't even look at cupcakes the next time. Anyway, both of you do your work now, and I'll see you at home. Rudra? Rudra, what is this?
This.
You don't look after yourself at all. I mean, what is
Just
this?
a moment. You tore apart the pillow presented by Anu. Anu, actually, sorry. She didn't tear it apart. It got torn apart.
Me? I tore it apart. Ananya, I didn't do anything. Your best friend wanted to do pillow fight with me.
Anu, actually, I'm.
Rudra, she's your best friend. She'll understand. Right, Ananya? Okay, it's time for me to go. Bye.
God knows what Manvi told Antara. The one who used to hardly speak is barking now. Tomorrow is Holi. I just hope she won't create a scene.
Thank you, Maya. Had you not been there, I wouldn't have been able to muster courage to challenge Mrityunjay. What an irony. When you were in trouble, I was not able to even support you. I'm so sorry for that.
It's okay. People do change with time, Mantra. And moreover, a woman can understand another woman's pain. But you take care of yourself. You know how MJ is. He can do anything.
He won't do anything at all. I have kept the evidence against MJ very safely. If he does anything at all...
I asked you to take care of yourself. But you simply never listen to what I'm saying. What happened?
Tomorrow we'll celebrate our first Holi together. And I'll spend my first Holi without Rishi. Maya, I was wondering we'll spend this Holi with my parents. It's okay if you don't want to accompany me, I'll...
It's not okay. After our wedding vows, did you forget that what we have belongs to both of us? Then why shouldn't I share your responsibility? Tomorrow, we will go to meet your parents.
Ever since I left my home, I haven't spoken to Mom. Maya, I'm getting a feeling that Mom is not keeping okay.
Rudra, I'm sure she's all right. And tomorrow we will be seeing her. So relax.
Thank you.
Yes, MJ sir. I have abducted her. I'm waiting for your orders. What should I do with her? I have to kill her, burn her, or bury her? Or shall I cut her into small, tiny pieces? It's also a trend right now, sir.
By any means, I need to bring Rudra back home, Amir. And for that, I'm ready to make a settlement with Manvi. That girl is going to...
She loves Rudra, MJ. She will not harm him.
And that is the problem, Amir. She might not harm Rudra, but she is using him and trying to get to me. And until Rudra is not with me, I can't stop Manvi's next move.
Mrityunjay!
Mantra, why are you doing this?
You wanted to kill me, right? You planned to kidnap me and then kill me, right? Burn me, bury me, or cut me into little pieces? That was your
I
plan?
think you have gone mad. What nonsense are you talking?
Mantra, why would MJ take such a step? Without any proof, you can't. Please. What is it? What? Okay, let me check.
I will tell everybody what an animal you are. You are an animal, Mrityunjay.
She is Antara Mrityunjay Roy. It seems she has become shameless. Yes, in this changing times, see the change in Antara Mrityunjay Roy. First her scantily worn clothes and now her self-respect. Maybe Mrs. Roy has lost both of them. Her behavior is showing it all.
So that was your plan? This is what you wanted your goons to do, this? Yuck! Disgusting you are!
The ways of Mrs. Antara Roy is well known. She is famous for her neglectful ways. At parties, in a gym, in her house, nobody can match Antara Roy's drunkard ways. Mrs. Roy, you should have thought about your divorce. Now you can't just ask your husband for alimony. I feel bad that what respect her son will have for her now.
I knew that you would target Antara. But in such a bad way, I feel sad for her.
You shouldn't. What Antara did, she's just being punished for that. Now she's getting what she deserves. Antara forgot that who her real enemy is. I made her realize that MJ is behind her kidnapping.
You guys kidnap Antara, but be careful. She shouldn't get hurt.
Antara had insulted Manvi. Maya didn't even spare Antara. The pain which Manvi had endured, the same pain Antara is going through now. You reap what you sow.
What have you done to me, Mrityunjay? What will my son think about me now? No! Ah! No, this cannot happen. No. This can't happen. I am not such a person.
See the change in Mrs. Antara. First it was her clothes and then it was her character. I think she has lost it. I feel bad thinking what her son will think about her now.
Have you done all this?
You think I've done all this, Amir? You think I can do such a thing?
You only said that you would handle everything.
I would handle Antara in this house through my way, not like this. I didn't try to kill Antara, Amir. I didn't give this news. Why don't you understand? She is behind all this.
You're saying that Manvi has done all this?
The person who started this game has done this.
Congratulations on your another defeat.
If I accept defeat so easily, then how will I have fun playing the game, Manvi?
You never give up, do you? But now get used to losing, MJ, because now I'm destined to win.
Mom,
I know. Rudra,
she's my mom, Maya. She's my mom.
I know.
She can't do such a thing.
Rudra, we should go and meet her. Yeah? She needs us right now. And not just for Holi, she needs us forever. Your mother needs you. She needs us.
Thank you.
Dad, we both are coming home. I am coming home. You will welcome us, right? I'll see you soon.
Mom! Mom!
Dad? Dad? Where did he go? I think he took my advice. I think he's not able to show himself after the defeat.
Mom? Mom?
Rudra, go away. Just go away from here. Just go away. Leave me. Just leave me. Please leave me. I'm not a good mother. I'm a very bad mother, Rudra. Just leave me. Leave me. Leave me. Just leave me, Rudra. Leave me. I am the one who destroyed our family, Rudra. I have destroyed everything, ruined everything. I have destroyed everything. I have ruined everything.
How can I leave you, Mom? I exist in this world only because of you. You are the reason for our happiness.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Mom. I'm sorry.
Dear,
I could never
I'm
understand
sorry.
your pain.
I'm sorry. I'm
I'm
so
very
sorry.
sorry, Mom. I'm sorry for not supporting you when you needed me the most. I'm very sorry about that. I could never make you happy.
Rudra.
You have always made us happy by taking our pains away. For the first time, you tried to make yourself happy, and there's no one to support you. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry.
No.
And Mom, you know, after suffering so much in life, it was never bad to think about your own happiness. I am with you. Someone has helped me understand the situation. She helped me understand that it's not bad if we do something to make ourselves happy. Maya and I are always with you.
Rudra, can you please get some water for mother?
Maya, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I have always hated you and done so wrong, but you have always supported me in this time. Thank you. Mrityunjay has trapped you. I remained quiet. He betrayed you. Still, I didn't say a word. Then he hit you so much that you lost your fetus. It's all my fault. I'm so sorry.
Hi, bro. Actually, this video is about the girl that I'm in love with.
You killed my son, Rishi Manvi. Rudra will learn everything now.
No, you will not tell anything to Rudra.
Leave me alone!
I wronged you in so many ways. And you still always stood by me. Why? Please, don't punish the son for his
I
father.
won't. Rudra is my heart. He's my life.
I am your life and you both are mine. Didn't I tell you, Mom, that one day you'll fall in love with Maya just as I did?
Women like you don't deserve forgiveness, Antara. But you brought Rudra into the world, who pulled me out of my misery. So I'm forgiving you today.
Bury the news, Amir, before it's linked to me.
Dad,
It's good that you have come, Rudra. You're the only one I need at this time.
And I'm here too. How can we leave you in your time of need, Dad?
This is the first Holi after Rishi. And everything.
nothing happened, Dad.
If Rishi were here, we would have had a grand Holi celebration since Holi was his favorite festival.
But Rishi is no longer with us, Dad.
But his memories are still with us. We should celebrate Holi. If not for ourselves, then at least for the world. The public mustn't get the impression that we are ashamed of what happened to Mother. And Dad, Rudra told me that the first colors are smeared by Mrs. Roy.
Antara is not in a state to play Holi.
Maybe you're forgetting, Dad, that there's another Mrs. Roy in the family. I shall take on every responsibility of the house. Do you agree, Dad? Happy Holi, Mr. Roy.
Happy Holi, Vaibhav. Happy Holi, Anu. No, Anu.
Rudra, how will you celebrate Holi without colors? Do you think Rishi would have liked that?
If Rishi was here, he would have loved the fact that his mother is celebrating Holi with everyone and holding her head high. because she has no reason to be ashamed. The one who did this to her should be ashamed. Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi, Mom.
Happy Holi, Aunt.
Happy Holi, Ananya.
Happy Holi, Auntie.
Happy Holi.
Come on, Dad. Maya is doing that what you should have done. Mom has always supported you. And today she needs your support. And yeah, if Rishi was here today, he would do exactly the same. What Maya is doing.
Aunt,
How long will you keep avoiding me, MJ? Do you see how I've changed your life? Everyone is with Antra, while you don't have anyone. You're all alone. And everybody over here are just wondering if you are actually responsible for Antra's condition. Is MJ the culprit? Wish you a happy Holi.
I love you, Maya. If you weren't here, then
But I am. I'll always be there. You may not see me with your eyes, but you'll feel my presence. I'm the addiction that you can never quit, Rudra. Like these two colors, no one can ever split us, Rudra.
I love you.
I love you too.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Since the day you were born, you were the first one whom I smeared colors on Holi. This is the first Holi without you. Still, you're the first one that I'm sharing my colors with. The day you left us, since then all the happiness are also gone. If you would have been alive, then together we would have saved Rudra from that crazy Manvi. You have always captured your memories in your camera. Where's that camera? These are the only memories of yours. These will help me get back my courage.
Maya, 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 Maya. Every time I say her name, I have this amazing feeling inside me. Hi, bro. Brother, I have something to tell you. You must be thinking, why can't I wait till we meet? I just don't have the courage. Actually, this video is about the girl that I'm in love with. Maya, 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 Maya. Every time I call out her name, I have this amazing feeling inside me. Brother, how do I describe her to you? She's a complete mystery. A mystery which leaves me completely breathless. When she saved my life in that event, I just went crazy about her. And if I hadn't been to her house that night just to impress her, then she wouldn't have been crazy about me. Maya is completely strange. Sometimes she scares me, sometimes she burns her hand, and sometimes the bed. And I don't understand why, but she just keeps hiding from this world.
Because she knew. That the day Rishi's father is going to find out about her, that's going to be the last day of her life. You killed my son Rishi, Manvi. You killed my son.
No. It was not me. You killed him. You killed my baby and I killed your son. You made my life miserable and I did the same thing to you. No. You can't tell this to Rudra or else I will tell him everything about our past. Everything that you have done to me. I will tell him why I killed Rishi.
Go and tell him, Manvi. Tell him everything. I will just lose my honor, but he is going to hate you. Because you have killed his brother. And now he is going to hate you from all his heart and his soul. Because you murdered Rishi. It was you, Manvi, who killed him.
Rudra can't hate me.
Your love will turn out to be your noose, Manvi. Rudra's hate will act like a rope. And Rishi's death will give Rudra the courage to pull that rope.
No, you won't say Rudra anything. You won't say him anything.
Leave me alone!
MJ, please. MJ shouldn't reach Rudra.
I promise you. Henceforth, your love is my love. Your hatred is my hatred.
चाहा तुझे दिल ने मेरे तो सांसों ने धोखा दिया तेरी हुई यूं इस तरह कि खुद से हुई मैं जुदा सब ले गया तो फिर मेरे जीने की सारी वजह तेरी खलिश तेरी खला को दिल में यूं दी है जगह
Go and tell him, Manvi. Tell him everything. I will just lose my honor, but you, he is going to hate you.
Rudra! Where is Rudra? Rudra? MJ, where is he?
I taught Rishi how to walk with these hands. I roamed with him. I fed him. I showered love on him. Now with these same hands I'm going to kill you. Manvi, you killed my son. You snatched my sweetheart away from me. Who will save you now?
Where is Rudra?
He is where he should be. Away from you. Where you can never harm him. The way you harmed my... When Rudra gets to know that you killed his younger brother so brutally, you know he is going to hate you. Perhaps he's going to know that you're a monster. Rishi left a message for you. I've given him the camcorder, Manvi. Now he'll learn about everything. He will get to know about you. And I didn't want you to be with Rudra when he watches the recording. Perhaps he could have done something dangerous. He could have killed you. You know what? I did not want my son to kill a sinner like you, Manvi. Because that's my job.
I waited 10 years for this moment, MJ. And in these years, my zeal for vengeance kept me alive. I lost everything in these 10 years. I lost even myself. I lost my humanity too. After that, Rudra taught me to enjoy life. And you've snatched him away from me. My love couldn't become successful, but my hatred will serve its purpose.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.